Hi, welcome back to Kimmy's Garage. Today I want to introduce a brand new product that's going to be released next week. We have designed and built a brand new rear kit for the late model Camaros 2010 to 2019. We've worked very closely with our dealer Guatney Performance, who purchases a lot of our front late model Camaro kits. Now we're able to offer the rear. We're very excited. It was a special design caliper that will fit the drag race version, will fit the street to strip version with the vented rotors, and lastly, it will fit our titanium rotor setup for drag race only. Aerospace is always on the innovative, cutting edge, and we're very excited about this new product. Lastly, we have one more product that's about to be released. It's our ceramic bearing hub setup. So, it's a little sneak peek to that, so stay tuned for more exciting things coming out of Aerospace Components. I'll see you again soon.